Hi, I'm Alex Watson. I'm a fashion designer in Montreal, and I make sustainable women's clothing out of dead stock fabrics. So I wanted to start this channel to show you behind the scenes of how I design, cut, and sew all of my products, and show you all of the struggles that I face when I'm starting a new project. I'm currently doing a new collection, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show everyone what's involved. A bit about me. I grew up in Waterloo, Ontario, and studied anthropology. I'm a self-taught fashion designer and studied techniques when doing internships in London, England. When I came to Montreal, I did private label manufacturing that allowed me to learn some more individual skills for certain products. I really learned through practice, and by taking on new projects, I was able to put myself to the test and learn how to sew lingerie, tote bags, sportswear. Through that, I decided where I wanted my own personal brand to go, in which direction and what kind of style and fabrics. So I'll often go to the Montreal fabric warehouses here and find new dead stock fabrics when I'm starting a new collection, because I'm so inspired by finding new fabrics, new colors, and also preventing industry textile waste. That's really important in my design process. There's so much fabric that would go to landfill that I can save and create beautiful things with. So yeah, I'm really inspired by that, and that's one of the reasons why I'm here in Montreal. My studio is right in the garment district. I will show you some behind the scenes of where I make my pieces and how I make my pieces. I'm currently working on a new collection called Onism. I decided on this word to encapsulate my collection because I had been feeling really stuck in one place. And onism actually means the feeling of being stuck and frustrated with wanting to live so many different kinds of lives. I resonated with that so much because I see so much potential in myself and my brand. It becomes frustrating that I'm not doing all of those things and I'm not actively feeling that potential being met. I'm excited to show you more of my day-to-day and take you through my new collection. Yeah, here we go.
I look up to the sky to remind me. I look left, I look right. I keep my head up and my voice tall, just how you'd wanted me to. With my arms outstretched for you to find me, around in circles I get so dizzy till I can't see. I will not hide any longer. I am spinning around. Won't you catch me for old times? I'm counting down, I'm counting down, I'm counting down. I'm counting down, I'm counting down, I'm counting down. I'm counting down, I'm counting down, I'm counting down.
Okay, wow, that was a very long day. I got really stressed out halfway through because I was trying to develop this pattern for a silk blouse with a cowl neckline, which is where the front like gathers up. And it was so difficult. I've never made one of those before, but luckily my studio mate showed me the best way and the best kind of pattern practice to make it fit better. Yeah, then I went out for a coffee break with David, my boyfriend, and we sat at the cafe for half an hour and I discussed how I felt really stupid and I couldn't bring to life what was in my mind, and I find that really disheartening sometimes. But he cheered me up and I realized that, you know, it's a learning process making patterns, and so I decided to come back and give it one last try, and I ended up making something I'm pretty happy with. Then I just decided to make some new pieces from patterns that I have made many times in the past so I could get my confidence back up. And I love them, they're so cool. I'm gonna show you. But yeah, it's about 7:20, so I've been here all day. I am booked to work at Essence tomorrow, so yeah, I wanted to get as much done today as possible. My back is killing me. I am prepping for my photo shoot, and with that comes a lot of experimentation. So I'm constantly trying out these products that have been in my head for the past couple weeks. Sometimes when they come to life, they're not exactly what I thought they would be. So I have to move on quickly and decide what I want to replace that with. I also cannot buy any more fabric right now. I have way too much. So I'm trying to make products that I can use the fabric that I already have. It does kind of limit me in a way, but I feel in a creative practice, I work much better with limitations, because if I had no limits, it would be very hard to make decisions. And nobody wants that. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see in my studio next week, and have an amazing day.